have, where is Johnny and Mike? Where is Johnny and Mike? Okay. What is the boy in the blue shirt doing? What is the boy in the blue shirt doing? Angel, I will message my...
The boy is playing badminton.
Yes, playing badminton. Very good. How many chicken do you see, Mike?
Three.
Yes, very good. Next, where is Johnny? Johnny. Jack. How many apples do you see? How many apples do you
One.
see?
No.
Very good. Mhm. Okay, next, what we have here? How many mouses do you see, Angel? How many mouses do you see?
Three.
Okay, Angel. How many mouses do you see? Three. Very good. Now let's have the next. Make sentences about the picture D. Okay, please make a sentence. Start, Jack. Make a sentence, Jack.
One sheep.
Mm-hmm.
Is eating.
R is plural. Is. If one is.
One sheep is eating a flower.
Very good. Next. Mike. Mike.
Me.
Oh,
What
don't do
teacher?
that, Jack. That's bad.
What teacher?
Okay, please make a sentence.
One fish are swimming in the in the water.
Yes. How many fishes do you see, Mike?
7.
Yes. Okay. Very good. Next, Angel. Please make a sentence. Okay, I can't hear you, Angel. Angel. Okay. Please make a sentence.
Sentence.
Don't do that, Jack. That's bad. Okay. Angel, please make a sentence.
What? Sorry?
One.
One fish are eating blue t-shirt.
Oh. Is. If it's singular, use is. If fishes are, but only one, we use is. Okay. I will make a sentence. 3 mice are running are swimming in the water, like that. 4 people are eating some bread. 5 children are swimming in the water. Yes, that is the example. Okay, now let's have the next. One sheep is eating a flower. Where is it? Circle this one, Jack. Where is the
Yes.
sheep? Where is the sheep? Circle the sheep.
Beastie spider.
And what's the sheep eating?
The sheep is eating a flower.
Very good. Two children are wearing blue t-shirts. Is that correct, Mike? Two children are wearing blue t-shirts. Is that correct?
What?
Two children are wearing blue t-shirts.
No. Yes.
Yes, very good.
I went after all
Three
day.
mice are running behind the dog, Angel.
When is
Yes or no? Okay, 4 people are eating some bread. 5 fish are swimming in the water. Okay, please read this one, Angel. 3 mice.
Three mice are running a flower.
Running behind.
Teacher, where is Johnny?
I don't know. Where's Johnny? I messaged Johnny. Okay, next, please read this part, Mike. 4 people.
4 people is eating.
Very good. Jack, 5 fish. 5 fish.
5 fish is are swimming in the water.
Very good. Well done. Now, let's have the next. What we have the next? Oh, this one. Look at the family and answer questions. What's the bird doing now? Angel, what's the bird doing now?
Fly. It's flying. It's flying.
Mhm.
The bird is flying.
Oh my God, what happened? Wait, I will send this. Where is Johnny? Johnny, where are you,
don't know.
Johnny? Okay, wait, where is it? There. Yes, flying. Next question. Who is playing badminton? Who is playing badminton? Jack?
Yeah,
Who is
2 girls.
2 girls? Very good. Next, Mike. Please read number 3. Number 3. Number 3. Please read number 3. Please answer this one. What are Mike?
What?
What are the man?
It's washing the car.
Okay, is washing the car. Very good. Now, let's have Jack, number 4. Please read number 4, Jack.
Your mice now. The dog is chasing your mice.
They are chasing. Wow, in front of the dog. Next. Number 5, Angel. Please read aloud.
The fish is jumping.
Yes, is jumping. Number 6, Mike. Number 6.
Play game.
Number 6. Please answer number 6.
What?
This one.
Number 6. How many apples can you see? 1.
Yes, it's 1. Okay. Next, number 7, Jack. Please read aloud. Number 7.
What is a sheep doing?
What's the sheep doing?
The sheep is sleeping.
Yes, they're sleeping. Very good. Angel, number 8. Please read aloud.
Where is a chicken?
Okay, which animals?
Which animals are eating bread? Chicken.
Chickens. Very good. Well done, class. Good job. Now, this is the answer. Yes. Look at the picture. Say yes or no. Okay, start number 1. Number 1, Jack. Please read aloud.
5 fish are swimming. No.
How many fishes are swimming?
5.
5.
5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it yes or no?
It is no.
Why no?
Because they are jumping. Yes.
They are jumping? Oh. 5 fish are jumping. Okay, because it's jumping, yes. Next, Angel, number 3. 2 people.
Who's in the car? Yeah.
2 people are cleaning the car. Yes, very good. Number 4, Mike.
Number 4. A bird is singing. No.
What's the bird doing?
Flying.
Flying. Very good. Number 5, Jack. Jack. Number 5.
There are 5 apples. No. It is 1.
1 apple. Number 6, Angel. A bird is?
Flying. Yes.
Yes, very good. A bird is flying. Next, number 7, Jack.
3 chickens are eating bread. Yes.
Yes, 3 chickens are eating bread. Number 8, Mike.
What? Number 8. 4 people is eating. No.
How many people?
It's 6. No.
Oh.
6.
6 people are eating? Do you see in the picture?
No.
No
4.
people eating.
4
No.
people.
Okay, next. No, no people eating. Just the chickens are eating bread.
But
Next.
I mean no. It, no one is eat.
Okay, no one is eating. Okay, very good, Mike. Number 9, Angel.
A sheep is sleeping. Yes.
Yes, a sheep is sleeping. Correct. And the last, the dog is running in the front of the mice. It's no. Okay, very good. Now let's play a game. What's my word? What's my word? Let's make a word. Angel is happy. She saw the banchan. Okay, what's my word, Jack? Oh, you have already the answer. No cheating, Jack. No cheating. That's bad. Okay, what's the answer? Let's start with Angel. Oh, Angel is happy.
Me.
What's the answer? Play the game. What's my word? Okay, Jack. Jack. Give me example.
I don't know.
You don't know? What's my word?
Eight.
Oh, it's already time. Yes, we are busy. Now let's have a reward today. Where is Johnny? Oh my God, Johnny. Where are you, Johnny? Let's play. Let's have a reward today. Reward. Johnny, I don't know where you are. Johnny, what happened? Oh, there we are. We are legends. Yes. Thank you for being on time, class. Very good. And doing your homework. Don't forget your homework, class. I will review it later. I came from the hospital. That's why I'm busy. But I'm fine. Okay, on task. Participating, very good. Being persistent, especially Johnny and Mike and Jack and Angel. Remember the last lesson and the teamwork. Okay, and working hard. Who will be the top one? Who will be the top one? Top one will be, where is Johnny? Oh, Johnny, I don't know, where are you? Sleeping. Okay, our top one will be, will be, because you're late, Jack. Okay, our top one will be Mike today. Mike! A donkey! A donkey there! A donkey!
Oh, it's a donkey.
Yes, and next we have what we have here for top two. Top two is, oh, don't do that, Jack. That's bad. No, that's bad. No, no, stop doing that. Jack, no, stop, stop, stop. Top two is Angel. Angel, teddy bear with heart. And our top three will be Johnny. Johnny, top three. Yes, teddy bear. And our top four, what happened to Jack? That's bad, Jack. Okay, top four will be Jack. Very good, Jack. A blue ribbon. Okay, class, that's all for today. Good night, Angel. Good night, Mom.
Peter.
Good
Good
night.
night.
Good night,
Good
Jack.
night. Good night.
Good night. Good night, Johnny. Bye. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.